Hello and welcome back to the third video of the Ballerina language video series. So in the past videos we checked out a lot of features of Ballerina language server, and now you might be wondering how these things happens inside. So as you can remember, we installed this Ballerina extension, but it's not where these logics are coded. So actually this is the Ballerina client, language server client, and if you go to the code, so as you can remember, inside the Ballerina repo we have a package called Ballerina language server. So this is where all the magic happens. So if you explore a bit, you can find out all the codes inside: code actions, code lenses, commands, completions, definition, and all the stuff. So I will walk you through each and everything, but first we'll check out some information about the plugin in VS Code. So as you can see, uh, here we have the Ballerina, and so you have the Ballerina here because uh, currently in this workspace uh, the Ballerina language service running. So if you have another, let's say, a Python file open, and if the Python Ballerina language server is running behind, you can see Python or Java, something like that. And here you can see Ballerina SDK and a version. So let's check what is the installed Ballerina version. So let's clear this stuff and let's run a bal v. So here it says Ballerina 2201, which is the Ballerina Swan Lake version, and major version is 2 and the patch is 2. But here we have 2201.401.0. So there is a little mismatch here. So I'll explain why it is like that. So if you go to preferences and settings, and under extensions I can select Ballerina. So here you can see I have activated the plugin dev mode. So you can see a tick here, and I have set a home path which is 2201.4.0 snapshot. Also you can click this button and open JSON settings. Here you can see I have set a Ballerina home path, and here the plugin dev mode is true. It's set to true. So if you simply set this to false, which you might be already having, so if you are new to this VS Code Ballerina, so you might be having this false, or you might not have this line. So if you have this set to false, and let's reload the window. And now you can see it's selected the version you have installed. So this is where you can use a custom build. So this is the custom build we have built from the lang repo, and it's inside this path. And if you want to run that specific build, you have to set these to true. Don't worry about these other stuff, just only focus about these two, and you can easily set it in here. So you just need to activate or deactivate and set the Ballerina language server build here. Not the Ballerina language server build, Ballerina language build. uh, all right. So this is the version you have installed the from the website, and after setting this to true, you can reload and see. Yeah, this is the version you are setting. Okay, so now you can make changes to this language server and quickly run a Gradle build. So I will skip the tests and checks for the moment. It's failing. So this might take some time, but like this, you can make changes to Ballerina language server, or uh, even the compiler or anything you like, and have your custom build and have your own language server. So it's already done, and now you can use the custom build and check out the language server. So in the next video I will go through a code action and how it's uh, implemented, and let's see how we can add new code actions or make changes to code actions. Until then, have a nice day.